Hi everyone, in this video lesson I will make demonstration of how did I configure dynamic NAT from one side of the network, from this side, and static NAT from the left side. So the idea is that when you are opening the computer, PC0, you are entering the IP address which you see on the screen with the port 4000. And then you press go. Then you can see that your computer is opening web server 0. And take a look for IP addresses of computer from which you are making ping, from which you are requesting the web page, and the IP address of the server from which you are making request. So they are absolutely same. And when you are entering port number 4001, you are redirected to server 1, which has an IP address 112, which is from the same network, as you see. So what is happening when you are entering this command again, 1111 and 4000. So look, we'll take a look for the simulation, and in simulation we get filters HTTP and ICMP packages. So we just need here an HTTP. So we press the button go, and then if we'll capture and forward, we'll see that we have generating HTTP packet, which is directed to, as you see here from the source, IP address is belongs to PC0, and destination IP address belongs to, as you see here, this is our foreign router with IP address 11 and 11. And then let's click on button capture and forward, and we'll see that our packet is received by the router, and when the router is retransmitting this packet, we'll catch here our packet, and we'll see here that source IP address is changed out, so that it have to be done by using this dynamic NAT, which is going to be configured by you on router 1, and which is translating IP addresses of network 192.168.10 and 0. All these addresses which will be placed here will be translated to single address of serial 000 interface with overload, so that they will use absolutely the same address in the public network, but they will have they will be distinguished by the port number. Well, afterward our packet is entering to the internet, so we don't care about what happens in the internet. And when our packet is delivered to router 0 resend this packet, but when it is resending this packet, we can see here that the packet source IP address now is same as 30002, and then the destination IP address is 192.168.10 and 111. And so here it is, and destination port is port number 80. So we are going to be we are making requests to the server to destination port is 80. So this is web port for web communication. And then when this packet is delivered by the server gives reply. So the reply goes, let's see. The source IP address is this one, but destination is 30002. It means that our server is giving a reply to this IP address. And on router 1 there will be translation one more time. So let's take a look. So when the packet leaves the router and we will catch the packet, here we can see that the source IP address is 1111, is this one, and the destination IP address is 10111. So this is how it is possible to make communication by using absolutely the same IP addresses in local area network, but with different IP addresses on the global network. So here it is, and it will write here 1, so you will be redirected to server 1. So here it is. This is the end of the